matric, group deaf and dumb, address flat 310 block A and DHA phase 8 defense Karachi, ABSA school for the deaf. Please welcome Kamal Kumar. Cash prize and certificate, shield of appreciation being presented. Please put your hands together. This is a great achievement. And second position goes to Maryam Aziz, daughter of Aziz Ahmad, securing 89%. You can see that cash prize, shield of appreciation and certificate of merit. All these things are being presented to the position holder students. Second position, special children, Maryam Aziz, daughter of Aziz Ahmad, securing 89%. Second position from ABSA School for the Deaf is requested to come forward and receive the cash prize, certificate of merit and shield of appreciation from the blessed hands of the chief guest and chairman board of secondary education and all the respected and honorable chairman boards of Sindh province. Please put your hands together for this great achievement. Certificate of merit, shield of appreciation and cash prize. All these things are being presented to the position holder students. And now for the special children, third position goes to Farah, daughter of Israr Ahmad, securing 88.8% from ABSA School for the Deaf, and she is also coming forward to receive her certificate of merit, cash prize and shield of appreciation from the blessed hands of the chairman board of secondary education and chief guest. MashaAllah. And now the result for the science group category is being announced. So for science group, SSC part 2, first position goes to Abdul Rahman, son of Abdul Hafiz, securing 97.54% from Islamic Institute for Children, Savani Colony, and he is coming forward to receive his certificate of merit, cash prize and award of appreciation from the blessed hands of the chief guest and chairman board of secondary education Karachi. Please put your hands together and give him a huge round of applause. This is a great achievement for the one. Second position in science group goes to Rabia, daughter of Imran Chabra, securing 97.18% from Al Badr School, Secondary Girls Gulshan Iqbal campus. She is also supposed to come forward and receive the award of appreciation, cash prize and shield of appreciation. Rabia, daughter of Imran Chabra, is receiving her certificate of merit, cash prize and award of appreciation from the blessed hands of the chief guest and chairman of board of secondary education Karachi. Now third position goes to Aliza Samdani, daughter of Imran Samdani, securing 97%. Third position from St. Joseph Convent High School, Karachi. Aliza Samdani, daughter of Imran Samdani, securing third position, has come forward to receive her third position award from the blessed hands of the chief guest and chairman from St. Joseph Convent High School, Karachi. She is receiving her shield of appreciation, certificate of merit and cash prize Please, once again, all of you are requested to give her a huge round of applause. And we have another third position from Science Group. I would like to make a request to Ramin Zubaida, daughter of Jamal Ahmed from Federal Secondary FB Area School. Please come forward and receive your certificate of merit for securing third position in Science Group. Please put your hands together. And Ramin Zubaida is receiving her certificate of merit, award of appreciation and cash prize from the blessed hands of Chairman, Matric Board and Chief Guest and all the respected Chairman Board. Please put your hands together once again. And finally, we are supposed to announce the result of General Group, starting from the one who has secured first position in General Group. I would like to make a request to Midhat, daughter of Muhammad Aslam, securing 92%. General Group regular from Baghe Halar Boys and Secondary School, Nishtar Road. She is receiving her certificate of merit and award of appreciation and cash prize from the blessed hands of the Chief Guest of the day and Chairman, Board of Secondary Education, Karachi. Once again, all of you are requested to give her a huge round of applause. This is a great achievement. And second position, announcement for the second position in General Group. Second position goes to Hafiza Minhal Ejaz Parekh, daughter of Ejaz, securing 91.63% from True Guide Grammar Secondary School, Khadda Liani, and she is receiving her award of appreciation and certificate of merit and cash prize from the blessed hands of Mr. Chief Guest and Mr. Chairman, Board of Secondary Education, Karachi, and all the other Chairman, Board, Sindh. Please put your hands together once again for Hafiza Minhal. Please, ladies and gentlemen, all of you are requested to give her a huge round of applause for this great achievement. Third position in General Group, Hiba Zia. Third position, Hiba Zia, daughter of Muhammad Ziaur Rahman, securing 91.27% from Citizen Secondary School Girls Campus, Gulshane Faisal, Bath Island. Hiba Zia is receiving her award of appreciation and certificate of merit and cash prize from the blessed hands of Mr. Chief Guest and Mr. Chairman, Board of Secondary Education, Karachi, and all the Honorable Chairman, Board, Sindh. And during the keynote of Mr. Chief Guest, we have received another honorable guest. I would like to make a request